minus 5 over 2. Okay? Okay, so y equal to 3x minus 5 over what? 2. So you can write here y equal to 3x minus what? 5 over what? 2. So in other way around, what we're trying to solve here, we're trying to make x as the subject of the formula. Okay, so how do you make this x as the subject of the formula? You say y over what? 1 is equal to 3x minus what? 5 over what? 2. The next step that you need to do when you reach on this stage, you cross multiply. Cross multiply. Okay, so the other way around, we have 1 times everything here. We have the same, which is 3x minus 5 is equal to y times 2 there is 2y. Remember, our objective here is to make x as the subject. Okay, so when you reach on this stage, you rearrange this. Okay, this is negative what? 5. When it comes, the other side will be positive what? 5. So you maintain your 3x here equal to 2y plus 5. Okay, so so when each on this stage, what do you do? Divide by 3 both sides. Divide by what? 3 both sides. Okay, you cancel this and this. You remain with what here? X, which is the subject, is equal to 2y plus what? 5 over what? 3. Now remember, the question there is the inverse. You say therefore our f inverse of x is equal to now here where there is y, you replace with what? X. You say 2x plus what? 5 over what? 3. So this is what you call the inverse what? Function. This is the inverse function for question A there. The other one there is B there. It says find the f inverse 5. Now remember the way it is here. This is like a ladder. Okay, if you fail to calculate this one, okay, even this one you cannot do it. Okay, so this one must be what? Accurate for you to answer this one as well. Okay, so what do you do now? Remember, you cannot use the function given here because here it's an inverse. So use an inverse what? Function. Okay, for question number what? A, the one you have solved. Okay, so you get this inverse function to solve this B. You say B, okay, B is equal to B f inverse of x is equal to, we get this one, 2x plus what? Plus 5 over what? Over 3. Okay, so now remember the question there, it says find f 5. So now what does this entails? This entails that where there's x on this function inverse here, replace with what? 5. Where there's x here, put what in? 5. So remember here you have